back. Redemption with Diet Coke. No burping. We did this a while back. We failed.
You did regular Coke though.
No, I did Coke Zero, I think.
No, actually, both of us had regular Coke.
Was it regular Coke?
Yeah.
What's it?
Around Christmas time.
Oh yeah, it was regular Coke. Yeah, we did
Christmas Eve.
Yeah, Christmas Eve. Okay, back then we did regular Coke. So we tried the actual real Diet Coke. Challenge is, you gotta drink the whole thing without burping. It hurts. But we're gonna try it again. So without further ado,
It's torture.
it's torture. Just try this. These are brand new bottles. Hear that?
Woo! Cat.
There's not no time limit or nothing. So.
Don't make them laugh.
They are warm, room temperature. So.
What are you doing?
DC.
Oh,
It hurts.
yeah, it's terrible.
That Coke's just a weird taste.
Breathe.
I'll do it. Just crank my stomach up.
The more you breathe in, the more air you get. That's why.
Whoa.
Oh, man. I cannot, yeah. That's, oh, dude.
That's okay, Dixie. I know. There's no gentleman.
Yeah, man, that's bad. Sorry. Like, that was from the egg challenge, man. Holy crap. Still
He claims he's still burping eggs.
Dude, I am. Like, seriously, I don't know. It's just like now coming back to me.
You guys failed again.
Oh, is that well? It's hard to do, man. It just
It's so much. Like, I don't know.
man.
I think Coke and Dr. Pepper gives like the most epic burps. It's like the darker sodas do it. Just Mountain Dew, Sprite,
Well,
Sprite.
you don't. I don't really burp with Mountain Dew.
Yeah, I was gonna say Mountain Dew. Yeah, you don't really burp with it.
I
at
would
all.
lose because I
Man, we
automatically
failed
burp.
again. I can't believe it.
It's okay though.
It's hard to do. That's
So no redemption.
Yeah.
No.
No,
It's
redemption.
okay. It's okay.
You
I
guys
think-
need to try it.
I think you drank more last time. Dylan drank more than you.
Yeah.
You should
I
have
just
drank.
had some
I was
coffee.
gonna say you should have drank your coffee.
I didn't think about it when I started drinking the coffee. Oh, but it started getting right in my gut.
Yeah. I had that throw up feeling. I don't.
Oh
Yeah, that's what I had.
I don't want to do
That's why
that.
I put my bottle down. I was like, uh-oh.
man,
I
Do
thought,
not launch across the
I
dang
thought you
table.
totally said, "Did you mix it?" Whenever you said.
Yeah, he was like, what?
What?
I was like, what?
Thought you.
I was like, Dixie. He's like, what? I was like,
Well, crap, guys. Try to do that again. Anyways, try it with Diet Coke, no burping.
Or burping.
Or
you're
burping.
You
burping.
could also do it with zero Coke, wouldn't it?
Zero Coke. No
Whatever,
Coke. Don't
zero,
try it.
yeah,
No
zero,
Coke.
Zero, whatever it
Yeah, you
is.
can do it with Coke Zero.
Yeah.
Zero
You don't want
Coke.
the sugar and all that aspartame stuff. I mean, I don't know how good you'd actually, how much carbon it had in it.
Does it feel like it's sloshing around your stomach?
But no, it was just a
Yeah.
real tight, like
Yeah.
cramp, like a real bad constipation.
It was like that. Yeah.
you and your poop issues.
I got poop issues. I can't help it.
Every video.
People know I poop. I got poop issues. So.
Oh, we know you poop.
It was like whenever we did the Kool-Aid thing, you like ripped it right then and there.
Yeah. I was just like, woo! Special thanks to Diane Shea for subscribing, and all my other subscribers have recently subscribed. Appreciate it. Keep them on going. One day I'll get up there. Pour me a Lamborghini.
Oh my gosh.
You do not be driving a Lamborghini.
Bubblegum Peak, right?
Bubblegum pink.
With Hello Kitty on the side.
Yeah.
You're driving it. Woo, woo. Woo, woo.
No, he won't.
I hope you guys had a good Memorial weekend. 'Cause it is Memorial Day. And what else? Anything else new?
We gotta go back to work tomorrow.
I gotta go to work. Real life work.
Well, you didn't win the lottery, so
I didn't play.
I tried.
We tried. Walmart closed their thing before 9 o'clock. It was like 8:40, and their customer service was already closed.
That's 20 minutes before. That's terrible.
Can't win if you don't play.
And the machine didn't take debit, so you were
Well, I didn't see you running out to get one.
I always lose.
Well, then you shouldn't play.
That's right. That's why I don't play. Duh.
I did win like on a scratch off. $1 scratch off, $100 one time. That was it.
When the hell was this?
Well, you guys want to talk lottery real quick? I know it's supposed to be about Diet Coke, but
Know about it.
you know, if you win the lottery
yeah.
and say off the scratch off tickets, and you owe, say, like IRS, or you owe like a federal loan, student loan, and all that, they will take that money.
yeah.
Yeah, you will. Yeah, you will not. So if you win $10,000 on a scratch off, if you owe any kind of back taxes, any kind of school loans, any kind of like that, it's in the rear. You're in debt with that. They'd automatically take that off the cut.
I would be okay with that.
Yeah.
I mean, I just
I
got.
would
me.
be pissed.
I would just got a little penny ante one and won like 10 grand, and then take all my money to debt, and then I'd be debt free. And there we go. A little dollar scratch off would be $10,000 that paid my debt
And you
with a
still
dollar.
wouldn't get to go to Disney.
Well, a dollar paid off all my debt. I would be okay with
I would
that.
scratch that $10,000 lottery ticket, and I would buy one. I'd be like, oh, I'll be a partying, calling everybody, partying, right?
And then come Monday,
Not
gone.
even Monday, like a couple hours. Not even a couple hours. An hour. He'd be on, like on eBay, and he'd be on car parts, and
Yeah, I'm a car guy. Why wouldn't I be?
be gone. Whoop!
I would be in a lottery office. Probably you see me on TV. High-speed chase with an active shooter at lottery winning.
Why?
I mean, how did it escalate from winning the lottery to robbing the lottery?
No, because they know because lottery. I'll be so excited because I won like all this money.
I thought it. You were robbing
They
the
come,
lottery.
come in and they say, "Oh, guess what? Yeah, you owe such and such. We're not taking it."
I could see it happening. I could totally see it happening.
Like the patches over on these stuff too.
Yeah, I walk in there looking like this. So, where's my money?
No money for you.
No. But anyways, just that's a little lottery fact. If you owe money,
And I told
I never knew that.
so if you don't play the lottery, if you,
God, they didn't take my $20. I won that one.
I forgot how much it is. It's an actual like certain
It's
amount.
probably if you have to go to the actual lottery
Yeah.
office to claim
Yeah.
it.
And obviously, if you just win under $599, they're not gonna. The store's not gonna say, "Hey, buddy,
Do you have debt?
you had your social while you were scratching. You were scratching. No, while you were scratching the lottery ticket, we see
While
you
you're
won.
scratching your scratch.
Scratching your scratcher, rubbing your scratcher.
Rubbing your scratcher. Okay. Think your bee hands will
Hey, you invited her.
All right. Yeah, I got stung by a bee or something today. It's all swollen. Can't see.
They probably can't see that.
It's not a muscular hand. It really got bit. I don't know what it, huh?
I can pull it back up there. Pull it back up.
Oh yeah, you can see it by your nose.
Yeah.
Or I guess it's your mouth. Well, now you can't see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Went down or put my hand on the
Oh
ground.
my.
Oh my god. I put my hand on the ground and got bit or stung. I don't know. Anyways,
Maybe you pulled a muscle.
That was a whole lot of labor.
like
Blowing
finger
up the
muscle.
pool.
no. Anyways, guys, I'm not trying to make this a boring video, but
Hey, we're giving important info to people that might not know.
that's true.
Yeah.
We're educating.
Well, technically, there's two of you talking, then a lot of a female talking with no female.
That's usually about how it goes.
So it's like a podcast type deal.
Yeah, we're like podcasting right now, and we got.
Well, I mean, it would be
Podcast.
podcasting if you're.
Well, yeah, because if you ever watch a podcast, you know.
I don't.
Well, I know, but there usually be like a couple people talking normal. And there'll be that one person in that podcast. Over talking everything. I'm pretty sure because you're sitting pretty close to the camera, that's what it sounds like.
Probably Probably me because I'm in front of it.
I tell them I go to watch this video again or to go to edit this video. It's going to be a lot of random
Cackling.
talking.
That's what we do best. We're
Yes.
micromanagers.
Yeah, most females are. Some males too. What?
Are you pointing towards me?
I didn't point the hell I did to you.
Oh, he said Dylan micromanages too.
Dylan can't even manage.
Dang.
See? Creep the whole house out.
Exactly.
Way to
Wow.
go. Way to go. Make it awkward.
All I got was a little bit of Diet Coke. Random.
Well, you're the one that pointed at me. You're just like, we're in there most.
Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Wow. Okay. I kind of maybe roll my eyes at you.
Yeah,
I didn't go dirt.
Right.
Oh, I think I like to play spin the bottle with you. What are you thinking? Oh yeah. Hey, this is supposed to be a Coke, no burping. Diet Coke, no burping. We failed
Fail.
again. Yeah.
We had to make it a little interesting.
Yeah, that makes it a little interesting.
The interesting thing is, in this video
Uh-huh.
here, you can't see your eyeballs.
You can't see your eyes from here.
Oh, really? Yeah,
Hey, there you go.
Wise now?
Yeah.
What are they about to? But, sorry.
Oh, put the wrinkle back. There you go.
Here goes. Is that better?
Yeah.
Alright. Is that better? Alright. Anyways, yeah, we tried it. We failed again.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. I think it was just. I think that because I drank the.
You need to work up, so you need to practice.
Yeah, I should practice. So I don't keep looking like a fool.
You gotta chug.
Next time you do it.
Well, I was well. The first time I tried, I did chug, and I was like, oh, I was like I was having a heart attack.
I can
and
chug water, but I'm sure I can't chug soda.
So I thought I'd take it easy and go the slow route.
But as you're breathing in, you breathe in the air, and that's what causes you to burp.
I gotta breathe.
Not through your mouth. You breathe through your nose. When you breathe in through your mouth, you're drinking the air as you're swallowing.
I'm a
That's-
mammal. That's what I do. I breathe in air.
Well,
But do you see whales up in the breathing
So they come to the top of the water.
It's their nose.
They come to the top of the water to breathe.
See, no,
but that's how babies get colicky when you feed. You know, you're feeding them the bottle or whatever. Bottle mostly, but they get colicky because they suck in
I
air.
get colicky when I'm on the breast.
Yeah, most babies that are on the breast don't
When I'm
get
drinking milk
colicky
from the breast, I don't get colicky.
because they ain't getting no air.
That's true.
Oh, you just made yourself look stupid.
Some of them boob right here.
We could.
I'll just pretend I'm.
We'll put a little silicone thing on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
we need to go.
It's-
We need to go. We need to discuss stuff on a different video.
And this is breastfeeding 101. Colicky baby. I miss breastfeeding.
Oh my god.
Okay, goodbye, everybody.
And you're talking about how I had this much Coke. You only had this much Coke. You're talking about breastfeeding.
Who wouldn't want to talk about breastfeeding?
Well, I mean, it's true, but still.
But anyways,
Because he drank more than.
what are you guys talking about? I'm trying to close
He's
the
trying. She's trying to figure out what Dylan's talking about
Oh,
with your Coke, his Coke.
gotcha.
She wasn't paying attention earlier.
Writing something about his Coke's bigger than mine. Anyways,
Actually, his Coke's littler than yours.
Yeah.
Yours is bigger. You got more.
that's true.
Always a positive.
Earth to my bottle. Like, comment, share, subscribe. As
People are
always.
gonna run now.
Like, look at this video, like, thumbs down, but try to thumbs it up. We're just trying to throw it out there. Just keep in contact with my people here. You know, just a little dropping in, just a little letting you guys know I'm still doing my videos. So
We. You're not the only one.
we.
You said I'm still doing my
When I
videos.
say I mean we.
There's no I in we.
What?
There's no I in we.
Yes, there is.
No,
There's
there's-
no we. W-I-I.
Oh my god.
We.
This is true.
We.
Common
Depends on
knowledge.
what part
I
of the
think
country you're from.
everybody's tired.
We. We.
He had too much coffee.
French. We. We.
That means yes.
You gotta go wee wee. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, make sure you love that breast and